Hi, I'm Sarah Kellogg and we are here at Pam Patrick's house and we have just completed her remodel. Pam, what is your favorite part of the project?
Well, I like my master bathroom. We put in a zero entry shower, so that'll be so convenient. And the kitchen is pretty great.
What's your favorite part about the kitchen?
Well, the tile.
Yeah, the backsplash.
It's gorgeous.
We started this project quite a while ago. What was your main reason for starting this project?
Well, it actually started when my little granddaughter was born, and I didn't like the carpet in here, and so I wanted new flooring.
And then it kind of turned into a kitchen and the bathrooms, and it just kind of snowballed to the whole main level.
It did. I love it all.
So the kitchen, huge improvements made in here. What are your favorite parts of the kitchen?
It's the same floor plan basically, but
Yeah.
it seems more open, tons of space. Probably one of my favorite things is my big long countertop. Even when my daughter was young, we couldn't really bake and stuff together because there just wasn't a good space to do that.
Yeah.
And now I've got this big long countertop that you can bake or set stuff out.
Yeah.
And then I've got a wonderful pantry. And I probably owe my daughter a few cookie batches.
Yeah, probably at this point.
Yep.
You also have storage for your cool KitchenAid mixer.
I do. That's
you
really
have
fun.
a trash pull-out.
Trash
You
drawer,
have
we call it.
all kinds of stuff in here that you hadn't had before. How is it for you now that you're cooking in your space?
Well, it's great. I mean, I have a hood too, and I've
Yeah.
never had that before.
Yeah. Do you find you have more storage space?
Oh, yeah.
A lot more?
Oh, for sure.
And have you had a chance to get in here with your granddaughter?
I have.
Yay.
We haven't really cooked much yet,
Yeah.
but she has her own snack drawer, so that's important.
What was the most challenging part of the design process for you?
Well, I definitely don't feel that I have good design choices on my own.
So what helped that process?
Well, you for sure. And also my sister Barb, she helped a lot too. She helped me make decisions that
Yeah.
I wouldn't regret.
Yes, so she was awesome in this process, I think, and she really knew what you would like and what you wanted. Was it helpful to have me as an interior designer with you through the whole process?
Absolutely.
Well, we're so glad you chose us to do your remodeling project, and we are just thrilled with the results, and we're thrilled that you're happy.
Yes, for sure.
Thank you, Pam.